Hey everybody, how you guys doing? My name is Gustavo Rojas and this is Hey Bartender. And well, today it is approximately 3:30 in the afternoon and we are on a really hot Friday. So production is having a really hard time. And while she's going upstairs just to kind of like a cool off, I want to surprise us with something really tasty. From my work, currently my job right now, Rancho Valencia, we're gonna bring you the Lawless Margarita. Please stay here with me and let me show you how to make it. Lawless Margarita, guys, super easy, super fast, super chill, super tasty. What is the Lawless? Okay, so have you guys here, and obviously every one of you guys know what is going on with the low-calorie margarita, or like the skinny margarita. So this is basically what it is. So what does make a skinny margarita? Well, the skinny margarita doesn't have control, which is gonna be kind of like a rice, sugary. Give me 1 second. Hey guys, come on, quiet. So, how are we gonna make it? Super easy. This is how you're gonna build this. Crushed ice, tall pint glass, all the way up. So what are we gonna do? Tequila blanco or reposado. In this case, the recipe at work, it calls for Fortaleza Blanco, which is gonna be 2 ounces, okay? But let's just try to do something a little bit nicer for production. This is gonna be Clase Azul Reposado, and we're gonna go for 2 healthy ounces. Then we're gonna be followed by 1 full ounce of fresh lime juice. Remember, no control, but you're definitely gonna need a little bit of a sweet. So just 1 squirt of agave, okay? And what you're gonna finish it with, Topo Chico or your Barrilito Club Soda. Top it up, stir a little bit, leave your straw in there, grab some nice lime wheels, try to make him like a nice and thin, that way you don't struggle putting him all the way in there. And there you have it, the Lawless Margarita. Okay, for all those ladies that they would like to keep in shape. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. Please don't drink and drive, and we'll see you next time. Production. It's okay. How you doing?
Thank you.
The things you have to do to keep the wife happy.